Describe the game you enjoyed playing when you were younger. You should say what is that game, who you played it with, where did you play the game, and explain why you enjoyed playing that game.
We loved playing different types of games with my brother and friends when I was younger. In our country, there are two kinds of games. One is indoor games and another one is outdoor games, and both types games are popular in our country. Today, I would like to talk about one special and exciting game which I like to play very much, which is playing football. And when I was a child, on that time I didn't have any money to purchase any original football. That's why we gathered a meeting with my friends and we tried to collect any types of plastics from here and there, and we tied these plastics with a rope and we turned these plastics as like the original football, and we played football in front of our schools. Suddenly one day we played football and my father was going to the market, and he explored it with playing football with the plastic balls. That's why he came in front of playground and asked us why you are playing these balls. We said that we didn't have any ability to purchase the original ball, so my father gave us 200 BDT, and it was huge money for us, and we purchased a original football from a local market, and we played this football. When we played this football, and many supporters noticed us, our dribbling, our playing styles, and we watch football game on TV. Especially we support one country which is the Argentina, and we like playing style of Lionel Messi. That's why we always motivate ourselves to become Lionel Messi, and we also learn different types of strategy to explore watching TV.